Hello friends, welcome back. Today's recipe, rich and delicious cheese paratha in 4 ways with my touch. First we'll make the dough for paratha. For that I'm going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of milk powder and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix all the dry ingredients. Then add 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil and just crumble it. Then pour required water little at a time, knead well and make a smooth dough. After that, spread some oil on the dough, cover with cling wrap or damp cloth. Keep it aside for about at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, divide the dough into 6 balls. Again, cover with the cling wrap. Now let's make the paratha. The first way is plain cheese paratha. Take a dough ball and flat to a little. Then sprinkle some flour in rolling surface. Take a dough and roll it thinly. First, spread some butter on it. Add enough mozzarella cheese. We can add cheddar cheese also. That's also give a good taste. Then fold from 4 sides like that. This way of folding is also best one. Spread butter and fold from 2 sides, then add cheese and then fold other 2 sides. The other way is veggie cheese paratha. Make the paratha similarly and additionally add some shredded carrot and some chopped onions and then fold from 4 sides. If you want spicy, you can sprinkle some chilli flakes. The next one is sugar cheese paratha. If you are a sweet lover, this way is only for you. Do below steps, then add cheese with sprinkle half a tablespoon of sugar and fold it. And the last is very delicious one, condensed milk cheese paratha. Do below steps and add 1 tablespoon condensed milk instead of sugar. Fold from 4 sides very tightly. Heat the tawa on medium-high flame. Apply some oil on it. Place the paratha. Again apply some oil. A delicious paratha is ready. Make rest of the paratha similarly. It's time to eat. Make your food something different and tasty. Homemade food is always the best choice for healthy life. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Please try this very tasty paratha at your home and send me a feedback. See you the another recipe. Until then, bye.